Mr. Pickles the cat accidentally joined a Zoom meeting. It started when he strutted across the keyboard at 9:02 a.m., precisely when my camera turned on. Instead of my face, 20 serious co-workers were greeted by a majestic close-up of orange fur and one enormous eyeball. Somehow, he activated a cat filter too. So there he was. A cat. As a cat. With digital whiskers. My boss said, "Glad you could join us, Mr. Pickles." Mr. Pickles responded by stepping on mute, unmute, and finally sharing my screen. This revealed 47 open tabs titled Easy Lasagna Recipes. He is now our head of pasta operations.